Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Knowledge. So I again welcome you all to yet another tutorial at Programming Knowledge. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about a new problem, that is buy and sell stock. So I would give you a hint how we can do this problem. You can first go through this example, that is buy and sell stock. You can read these lines. I'll give you a second. I hope you must have understood this test case, that this is a problem of buy and sell stock. Like we have a description in the test case, and what we can do, like we have an example test case in which an array has the representation of the prices. Like all the numerical values in this array are the prices of a stock for a given day. So what you need to do, you need to find a condition where you can buy a stock in the day and then sell the stock in the any other day. But you need to make a maximum profit. Okay. So how you can do that? We have many approaches to solve this problem. First is a brute force approach, and then another one is efficient approach that can be done. So I'll show you how you can approach this problem. Like uh, these are the I'll just give you a quick overview. Like array has a prices of a stock on a given day. Then I array has a price of a stock on a given day. Then you need to sell. First you need to buy. First buy, and then and second sell. So you need to check the flow, that first you need to buy, first you can buy, and in the second you can sell. So that means that you need to buy the stock before selling. That sounds pretty much obvious, but just to take care of the condition that I'm specifying this, that you need to buy the stock before selling. And in this case, what you do, you buy on the day when price is equal to 1, okay, and then you sell on the day when price is equal to 6. So you get the optimal solution, that is profit is equal to sell minus buy is equal to 5. So let's solve this problem using the brute force approach. So I can copy this test cases, and I'll copy this as well. I'll put this in the comments, that array is equal to prices of a stock on a given day, and first you need to buy, then second sell, then you need to buy the stock before selling, and you need to get max profit out of this. And this is our test case. I'll just put the test case here. Test case is equal to this. Yeah, so this is our test case. Let's move with the problem. So let's move with the code. We have a test case, and I'll define a solve function which takes test case as a parameter. But first I'll solve this using time complexity of O of n square. That's the brute force solution. So I'll brute force solution, and second one I'm going to solve optimal way, and I'll take a test case as a parameter, and here the time complexity, I'll reduce this time complexity to O of n. Okay, now uh, what you can do uh, like in the this solution, brute force solution, what we can do, n is equal to suppose this is a array, we are taking it as a array. So let's assume the both of them are array, and n is equal to len of a for I in range n, for j in range n. What you can do, you can first loop we can you loop when you need to buy the stock, then you can look for sell the stock. But you need to see that you need to buy the stock before selling, or you can in the other way also say that uh, you need to you need to buy the stock before selling, or you can only sell the stock after buying it. So for selling one, you need to do this as I plus 1 comma n. Perfectly fine, because you can if this is for buy, this for loop is for buy, then this for loop is for sell, then you can only sell after buying it. Perfectly fine, you can only sell after buying it. Then that's why I did I plus 1, because you can only sell after buying it. Then if a of j is greater than a of I, then I'll have a max profit here as 0. Max profit is equal to 0. Then max profit is equal to max of max profit comma a of j minus a of I. And then what we can do, we can simply, when we end our iteration, we can do print max profit. So I hope this question is clear, and I'll run this test case, brute force of test case, and I'll run this. Yeah, I get the answer as 5, but I have an optimal way of solving this question. Let's see what is the optimal way. We can solve this question in O of n approach. Again, n is equal to 9a, perfectly fine. Then max profit is equal to 0, and I'll take a min price is equal to float of infinite. uh, uh, I'll I'll tell you while I'm maintaining a minimum price. Then what you can do for I in range n, you will take a minimum price is equal to float, sorry, for a minimum price is equal to minimum of price minimum price comma a of I. This is to maintain min price. And I'll take another a variable, max profit is equal to max of max profit comma, since you know that you have already got the min price. Now what you can do, you can subtract this value a of I minus min price to maintain max profit. And then in the end, what you can do, you can come up with a print statement, print max profit. So I'll just run this test case, optimal of test case. Yeah, so in the both the solutions I get 5 as the answer. So I just want to tell you that this is the correct approach, but I'll just give you a quick overview how I went through this approach. Like, see, what I'll do, I'll maintain a variable min price which will keep a track to maintain the minimum price. To maintain the minimum price is simple. First, initialize the min price as infinite value, as just a normal variable we keep doing to maintain a minimum price. Then minimum price is equal to minimum of min price and a of I. This is used to maintain the min price. So min price comma a of I would give us the minimum price. Then max profit is equal to max of maximum profit already, or else you compute the profit right now, that is a of I minus min price. So current price minus minimum price would give you the max profit. So here you can solve this approach using the O of n approach. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll catch you within more tutorials with you. Thank you.